wanted to show you how to change the scale of the pattern as well. This is the scale tool right here, and if you double click on it, then you can see that the scale will transform your objects. If you want it to transform patterns as well, you need to check that little box. Once you do that, we have a new modifier key. If you look next to the left of the number 1 on your keyboard, you will see a key called the tilde. If you hold it down and then drag your pattern, let me select the pattern, you can see how you can change its proportions and you can change its scale. Clicking and dragging will do that. So let me pick another one just to show you, and we can change that, make it bigger or smaller so it repeats more. There are quite a few patterns to try, so some of these it's going to work a little better than others.